I have already spared about 300 million pesos for our senior citizens in Manila. Tomorrow is the day that the Lord has made.
We will
And our seniors will rejoice and be glad to Him. We will now implement the first quarter under my watch of the obligations for our beloved seniors. But the previous obligation will continue to recognize by this administration. Basta lahat ang iniwan nilang kakengko yan sa buhay, haharapin ko. Kaya lang hindi ko siya kayang harapin ng isubom-bombo. Ipapiyait-piyait ko hanggang sa mag-normalize. Back to zero. Our dreams and aspirations in our fiscal management to bring back the zero or the level. Zero. Ibig sabihin, walang negative 10.2 billion but regular operation are being sustained by the regular income of the city. Yan ang goal in the next 3 to 4 years.
Wow.
But on October 8, I will inform the public and you guys
Hello, ma'am.
of our real situation, the picture of what we have done for the past 100 days, physically, fiscally, economically, and so on and so forth.